First experiment. Now let us see density of liquids science experiment. Pour cold water to the top of the cup and also continue the same with the hot water. After pouring water, we need color. Blue color for cold and red color for hot. Now take a piece of card or a cardboard and close it on the top of the cold water. Now flip the cold water. Now place it on the hot water and take out the cardboard out carefully. This is because the water is slowly mixing all of its molecules together. The cold water is more dense than the hot water and sinks straight through the gaps of hot water. Now repeat the same. Pour cold water in one cup and hot water in another. After adding color, now cover the water with a piece of cardboard and place it on top of the cold water. Now flip it over and place it on top and pull the cardboard out carefully. You will see the hot water being layered on top of the cold water. This is because the hot water is different dense than the cold water. It is less dense than the cold water and that's why it sits on top. The floating lemon experiment. The materials required for the experiment are 2 cups of water, 2 spoons of salt, 2 plastic balls, 2 lemons. Now let us make salt water. For that we need 2 spoons of salt. Now I am going to take plastic ball and put it in the pure water. It floats because the density of the plastic ball is less than the pure water. Now I am going to put plastic ball in the salt water. The plastic ball floats both in fresh water and salt water. Now I am going to put the lemon in the fresh water. The density of the lemon is more than the pure water and that's why it sinks. Here the density of the salt water is more than the lemon and that's why it is floating. Third experiment. We will see about the pepper and the soap experiment. We will need a glass of tap water, plate, glitter or black pepper and a dish soap. Black pepper and the soap experiment. Step 1. Take a glass of water and pour it into the plate. Add glitter or pepper powder on top of the water as that does not dissolve. Now take your finger and dip it on top of the glitter. You will see no difference. The glitter will stick in your finger. Now dip your finger on dish soap and place your finger on center of the plate. As the soap moves into the water and the surface tension changes, the glitter no longer floats on top. Ink chromatography.
Now I'm going to be doing ink chromatography experiment. Now in this we're going to see the ink moving upwards. Okay? So let's water.
The tip of the paper should touch the water. Here how it works. When the water travels along the paper towel, it takes other things along with it, like the dies, marker and the sketch ink. Some molecules in some dies are smaller and they move faster. and some are bigger, so they move slower. And this is why we get separation of colors from the black ink. Walking water.
Now I'm doing walking water experiment. Here we have 5 cups. 3 cups are filled with water and 2 cups are empty. I'm adding 3 colors here. And now let's see how the water is traveling with tissue papers. One by one cup.
After you wait for a while, you will see colors mixed. Green and orange gives us olive green. Blue and orange gives us black. Straw siphon. Step 1. Pour water in a pipe. Step 2. Place it in 2 cups. Now when you take 1 cup down, you will see water traveling from one cup to the another.